Fornux C++ Superset. A source-to-source compiler making the targeted software impossible to crash or having any memory leak. Written by Hill Bouchard, Chief Executive Officer of Fornux Incorporated. The big idea of this company is to offer solutions for the most complex problems in computer science and astrophysics. The team consists of Phil Bouchard, Chief Executive Officer bringing 20 years of experience in the commercial, IT sector, and Nicholas Hubert Roy, Chief Financial Officer bringing his years of experience in the fiscal and accounting sectors. Regarding facts, the losses from software failures in 2017 in the US cost $1.7 trillion, and software bugs being 90% of this number. Fornux C++ Superset outstands competing products with unique capabilities such as fixes cyclic memory leaks implicitly, works on all embedded devices, software or server to execute as fast as the original code. Let's take for example this simple infinite loop with cyclic memory leaks, written in C++. The performance using a regular compiler is at its fastest or around 600,000 loops a second. The performance of the Java interpreter is clearly the worst or around 51,000 loops a second. Finally, the performance of Fornux C++ Superset is almost the same as a regular compiler, or around 580,000 loops a second. Overall, Fornux C++ Superset creates an executable 2.3 and 11 times faster than Python and Java interpreter respectively, where both languages are the most used ones in the world. On the other hand, when compiled with a regular compiler, we clearly see the memory leak draining the system memory. When interpreted by Java, the memory draining is still present, despite their quite ineffective garbage collector which manages the memory. When compiled with Fornux C++ Superset, we see the system memory remaining perfectly stable, just like the Python interpreter. Overall, Fornux C++ Superset creates an executable requiring the same amount of memory as a Python script, but will be twice faster, where Python is a key language for artificial intelligence. The worldwide spending with the compound annual growth rate summarizes into the following: augmented and virtual reality, $18 billion, robotics systems and drones, $128.7 billion, telecommunication services, $1.6 billion, artificial intelligence, $98 billion, and finally digital transformation, $2.3 trillion by 2023. In fact, by 2023, 52% of the worldwide industries will be digitally transformed. The marketing strategy subdivides into IT conferences, online ecosystems, internal government affairs, email marketing, sponsorship associations, telemarketing, magazine publications, webinars, and finally trade shows. The preliminary valuation of Fornux goes up to $2.2 and $2.7 million, based on the data from Ottawa, Canada. The main competitor is Parasoft Insure++, but it does not compare to the innovative properties of Fornux C++ Superset. As the main product is already achieved, we are looking to secure funding to put in execution the marketing plan, and then move forward with improving Python and Java, by converting them into efficient C++ code, followed by making them robust using Fornux C++ Superset. This way Python, predominant in the artificial intelligence industry, and Java, predominant on the server industry, will jumpstart to the efficiency of C++. Try it out yourselves using the software as a service or the dual licensed freeware at www.fornux.com. As our own investment and those from the innovative provincial programs are consisting of 54% of the total spending, We are looking to raise another $375,000 to put in execution the marketing plan.